Nah, cause when you look at a gang, right? A lot of niggas got it fucked up when it comes to this concept of gangster, bro. Like they don't understand what that is, Brody. You understand me? You know what I mean, gang? Because a gangster takes care of his responsibilities, bro. A gangster is one that can lead, bro. This is another word for synonymous for alpha, my nigga. These are the traits and qualities that exist in certain type of men. Certain type of men don't got that, bro. You understand what I'm saying? That's what a gangster do, bro. He raises his family, take care of his family, take care of his responsibilities, bro. He know how far to carry it in the street. Yo, what's wrong with me? We all types of shit, nigga. This the background I come from, nigga. I would never, ever, nigga, act like this ain't where I came from, nigga, because something else is. Either you take me for who I am, all of me, or take none. Yeah, I'm on my female shit right now. But that's what being a gangster is, bro. Not busting the cats, not fighting, none of that shit. That just shows that you got heart. Some of you don't even do it out of pure fear, nigga. But for the ones that know how to act, that's what I'm talking to, gang. You feel me? You see how we carry it out here, bro. We family oriented, bro. I spit my shit all the time with the gangsters, getting arguments with the gangsters, all that. I don't give a fuck. I know this come with it. Because there's a misconception that all gangsters is bad, bro. You understand me? Because the Chicago shit done fucked it up. These dumbass New York niggas done fucked it up. And even some of these dumb country bunkers from the South done fucked it up. But it is what it is. It doesn't take away from the individuals that know how to maneuver through who they are. I was looking at Melvin, the former 8-Tray Crip nigga, 6 years old, doing his fucking thing, my boy said, nigga. It ain't who you are, it's what you about, bro. Ain't what you talk, it's about what you can do, fool. That's how Neji giving it. Always gonna do that. So for everybody's talking about the gang shit, definitely niggas that ain't never been involved in it, nigga, shut up, nigga. Do what fit you, stay in your lane with it, nigga. This is niggas' lane, bro. I can't walk away from these niggas, bro, right now, knowing what I know, nigga. That's a sucker, nigga. Leaders don't do that, nigga. Get on the shit.